Okay, wheel number 2 on the Tesla. It's the same as the first, basically. We're going to take this all down with the grinder. Up here is very deep. I'm going to take that down with the 60 grit first, and then I'll go over everything else with the red conditioning disc. While I'm getting set up, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, I will get working on this wheel in just a second. Alright, so I really had to take that spot down to get that big chunk out. So I spent a little extra time reshaping that. I'm going to switch to the red disc now, get the rest of this damage out. right, now we'll sand all that damage, or where I used the grinder, we're going to sand that out, the 320 grit, get it ready for paint. Sorry it's so loud, I'm working right next to the compressor inside this garage, so the noise is all just coming right in here. Alright, sanding is done. Now we'll take the scuff pad to it. This is the like a 1500 grit scuff pad. That's linked in the description as well. And we're basically going to scuff the entire outer edge of this wheel and repaint. First, got to get it cleaned off. All right, and again, this is the magnetic gray paint. It's also linked in the description. All right, then we'll go over all that with the clear coat. Little light on the paint down here at the bottom. I'm going to add a little more paint to that real quick. And then we'll go over it again with the clear coat blender.